Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. To improve Jamaica's ranking on the World Bank's Ease of Starting Business Index, the government today launched its electronic business registration form. Director General at the Public Sector Transformation and Modernization Division in the Office of the Cabinet, Bernice Pottinger-Scott, says it will reduce the time it takes to register a business.
No more multiple visits to government agencies to have the process completed, as it is a cross-functional service that will save you time and money. No more visits to the NIS office, the TVJ office, the NHD's office, all of those things before you can get to register your company. The technology will allow us to prevent and remove those kinds of delays.
Chief Executive Officer at the company's Office of Jamaica, Judith Ramlogan, says more improvements will be announced.
The GOJ will now, with the strong support of the Government of Jamaica, particularly the Ministry of Finance, enter into the next phase by seeking to introduce other electronic forms, such as the annual returns form and change forms. This should go a long way in assisting customers to become more compliant with their statutory obligations.
The company's Office of Jamaica estimates that the registration of a business name accounts for 77% of the transaction. Jamaica is ranked 6th on the World Bank's Ease of Starting Business Index. And there's good news for motorists as well. Gas prices are going down tomorrow, and a liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will go for $3 less. Automotive diesel is down $2.54, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will cost $2.94 less. The price of kerosene is down $2.51. Butane will cost 85 cents more, and propane is up by $1.88. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.71. The Canadian dollar costs $101.88. The pound $165.09, while the euro sells for $153.03. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 779 points today, while the junior market index is down 28 points. Among the winners, Pulse Investments, ISP Finance Services, Derrimon Trading, 1834 Investments and Proven Investments. On the losing side, we had Medical Disposables and Supplies, Paramount Trading, Blue Power Group, JMMB Group 7.5%, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.